Hello guys, welcome to this fire Seben. All right, so I'm gonna start with I'm going straight forward to the tutorial, guys. So I'm gonna teach you the right and the left. All right. So it's one do re mi fa sol la ti do. We are playing the key of C sharp. All right. So it's 5, 5, 7, 6, 1, 6, 7, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 7, 5, 1, 7, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 2, 3. All right, 1, 6. I take it again. 5, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, 5, 2, 6, 4, 5, 5, 5, 2, 6, 3. I take it again. 5, 7, 6, 7, 1, 4, 4, 4. 1, 6, 1, 7, 5, 1, 7, 6, 5, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6. So we do. All right, so that's why you do. C 5 1 5 1 5 1 2 5 1 3 1 2 7 1 7. All right, so I'm take it slowly. Alright, so the left hand, alright. Okay, so the left hand is playing something like this. So remember, we are starting with the 5. So we have 5, 4, and 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and 5. So it's 5 and 4, and 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and 5, 5. All right. So you are doing. So yeah. So 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1. All right. Even though I was not playing this one, so we play 4, 4. You take the broken chords. 4, 4. So it's 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, 4, 1, 4. Then you go to 6 also. This is 6. Then 3 and 6 again. 4, 6, 3, 6, 6, 3, 6, 6, 6, 5 2 5 5 5 2 5 5 5 2 5. I say now when you combine it, guys, this is what you have. You can add this. So 2 5 2 2 1 7 5 4 4 4 4. Wow. So on the left is 5 5 1 5 1 5 1 2 5 1 2 1 2 5 1 3. Sorry, 5 1 3 1 2 5. Alright guys, please do it to subscribe to my channel and God bless you. You can add any other effect like that's brass. You can add that one as well. It makes it to be beautiful and nice. God bless you.